Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by maximizing accessible XP. Find a compact mob farm or smelt items in furnaces and hold empty bottles to store XP via bottling. Once done, divide your items you want to enchant or repair and place surplus gear into an ender chest for safe transport. Make sure to carry a few bottles, lappies for enchanting, and an anvil if you plan repairs. These basics let you move and store XP intentionally, instead of losing orbs accidentally. Now transfer and protect that XP. Bottle experience using bottles o enchanting. These are portable and explode into orbs when opened. If you can't craft bottles, smelt items at destination and transport the resulting items instead, then collect XP by picking up orbs intentionally. Once done, consider using a lead and a tamed mob to herd or block areas so orbs don't despawn. Make sure to open bottles or pick up orbs immediately after arrival to finish by spending your stored XP. Use an anvil to repair or combine gear and an enchanting table to apply spells. Remember, lappies is required for enchantments. If you find XP missing, first check whether chunks unloaded or orbs despawned. Return, reload the area, or open bottles again. One key troubleshooting tip: if orbs vanish while moving, use bottles o enchanting next time or transport items to smelt/. Collect XP at the destination to avoid losing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.